Hey, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Lewis, and today I'm just going to be showing you how to get rid of what I think is one of the more ugly parts of the car, and that's the orange side marker that's designed into the headlight. I know if you had a 10th gen, it wasn't a part of the headlight assembly, so it was easier to get rid of, but there's no, at least I don't know that there's any current aftermarket headlights for this car. So I'm going to show you how I got rid of it, and it's just some 3M vinyl, and that along with some knifeless tape, a heat gun, squeegee, and some soapy water, and that's literally all you need. I'll show you how to do it. You could use a knife if you wanted to, a stainless steel knife or a stainless steel razor, but you gotta be very careful. You could scratch your headlight and then it's gonna look ugly. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so next thing you want to do is get yourself a microfiber towel and some wipeout spray or some isopropyl alcohol and wipe down the surface. Make sure it's nice and clean. You don't want any dirt underneath your wrap when you're finished. Okay, now that we got that done, we're going to take our knifeless tape and we're going to lay out the pattern that we want our wrap to be, and it's just going to follow the curve of the orange side marker. This little 3M knifeless tape pack is pretty cool. It comes with the knifeless tape, it comes with the instructions, and a little squeegee for you to use. So I'm going to go ahead and lay this out. I'm going to show you how I lay it down. There is a specific way to use this. If you don't use it the correct way, it's going to mess up your entire wrap job. So I'll show you how I do it so you have kind of an idea on how to do yours. Okay, so once you have the knifeless tape in the shape that you want it, you're gonna wanna make sure that you have access on both ends, and that's just because there's a special way to expose the filament on this that's actually gonna be cutting the wrap. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay the wrap down over the top of this and then show you how it's done. This part I'm actually not gonna use any soapy water. I'm actually just going to lay it down and I'm gonna press on the center first and then work my way out. Okay, once you got it laid out the way you want to, we can start shrinking it and squeegeeing at the same time. Okay, we can use the squeegee that comes in the kit just to make sure that we're getting as close to the knifeless tape as possible. So next you're going to take this the excess, fold it, hold it, and then expose the filament. Once you've exposed it, we can pull the green to the outer edge and the filament to the part where you're going to create your design. Okay. Let's go ahead and heat this up. And then this is going to hold it down. Okay, so the entire time that you're pulling, you're going to want to make sure that you're at a 30 to 45 degree angle. You don't want to pull straight up because it messes up the cut. And make sure you're following the path of your layout. So as I'm coming in this edge, I'm going to pull in the direction of the edge. And then you can just, and that's it. It's really that simple. Now we can go ahead and pull this side. and that's about as hard as it can get. So now take this excess on this side and start pulling it out from underneath the wrap. Then once you've done that, go ahead, heat shrink it. Lay it down, nice and easy. Now we can go ahead and take our razor blade and cut along the edge. Be careful not to cut your paint. And there you go. Okay, so that quite literally wraps this up. I'm not a professional at wrapping cars by any means, so please take what you can from this video, and you might even do a way better job than I did at wrapping the headlight assembly and getting rid of that side marker. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, please consider subscribing, smash that like button. Anything that I used in the video today is going to be linked down in the description box below. If you have any questions, please hit me up in the comment section. I tend to always answer you guys. So yeah, and then just a disclaimer, be careful with the heat gun. It's very dangerous if you don't know what you're doing, and you can mess up the paint on your car. So I just had to put that out there because I don't want you sitting with a heat gun to your car for 10 minutes and wondering why your paint is melting off, because it has happened to a lot of people. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you on the next one. Peace out.